Good morning, good morning. We're in Mounthooly today. We're going to have a little bimble up the Henhole, have a look at the waterfalls up there, try and get up to the top where the mountain refuge hut is. And then we're going to bob along. Where are we going now then after that?
Brae.
To Brae. And then after Brae, we're going to go to this Schil and then back down to the car. And what a nice car it is.
Some kind of magic happens late at night when the moon smiles down at me and bathes me in its light. I fell asleep beneath you in the tall blades of grass. When I woke, the world was new. I never had to ask. It's a brand new day. The sun is shining. It's a brand new day. For the first time in such a long, long time, I know I'll be okay.
Well, that's a nice easy bimble so far. We seem to be at the foot of Henhole at the minute. One of the first waterfalls there. We're going to head up further up the valley, maybe at Three Sisters, and then I think we're going to do a U-turn and head back and then across to the Schil, hopefully. Well, so what do you think of where we're heading? Looks quite good, doesn't it?
Most kind of stories save the best part for last. And most stories have a hero who finds you make your past your past. Yeah, you make your past your past. It's a brand new day. The sun is shining. It's a brand new day. For the first time in such a long, long time, I know I'll be okay.
Hello, hello. Well, we just done Henhole, which was quite interesting. Nice little jolly up there. We didn't do all the way up, so we were about halfway up, and that was enough with the dogs. It was a bit sort of dangerous underfoot for the big dog. We're now at the mountain refuge hut, which is canny, and then we're going to be heading up the hill and across to the Schil, which is up there. How was that? You feel all rescued?
Hiya! Right, we're now on Brae, which is 508 metres and number 20 on the list that we're ticking off at the minute. So yeah, not really much on the top, a bit muddy and stuff, but some nice views all the way around. So I'll just give you a little show. Bit of rain there coming in, hopefully it'll stay over that way. And then coming around there, that's Andrew. Oh, there he is. And he's pointing up to the Schil, which is our next pit stop, and hopefully we'll have some lunch there. See you at the top.
Well, I'm pleased I brought the waterproofs today. Just a little light shower, but it keeps you dry. Helen's still wearing the sunglasses, which is even more interesting. Here comes the interesting bit.
This cycle never ends. You gotta fall in order to mend. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. For the first time in such a long I know I'll be okay.
Hello, hello. Well, that's us up the Schil. Quite nice up here, nice and flat. A really good place for a wild camp, so I may be back later in the year or next year. Had a spot of lunch, had the usual JD and Coke, while Helen had a G&T. The weather's not bad. Looks like it's coming in behind us, so we may be heading off shortly. See you on the bottom. Bye. See how fast you can run. Well, you can see the camera if I go.
Oh, I worms.